What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last video we have talked about exception, and now we are going to talk about how to handle the exception. Generally, what if we want to make the program not to be down cause of exception, and we want to print the type of exception? What should we do? We just use try and except. Alright, let's go on and take a look. At first, we define a division function, and the parameters are x and y, and return x divided by y, and we print division function, and arguments are 4 and 2, and second print, and we set 6 and 0, and we execute it. Alright, it shows 2 when 4 divided by 2, but when 6 divided by 0, the program is down because it shows 0 divisions error. What should we do? Let's adjust this program. We just use try and except. Try and except 0 division error, and print division can't be 0, and we execute it. Alright, you can see when the second prints 6 divided by 0, the computer shows division can't be 0 and none. The program works. Alright, let's go on and take a look. We copy this code to here, and we print division alphabet A and 3, and we execute it. The program is still down. It is type error because the third print alphabet A divided by 3. The string cannot be calculated with integer. What should we do? We just add another except type error, and print the argument have to be integer, and we execute it again. When the third print alphabet A divided by 3, and the computer shows the arguments have to be integer and none, the program works. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about how to use try and except to handle the exceptions. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.